good? Do you like it? It's good. Watermaker owner's manual to help us understand how to put all of this together. So this is the first phase, it says first phase of the project, and we are just installing everything on the place that we wanted to, fitting this place of course, but I think it's a good installation and good space between things. So this is gonna be the membrane Watermaker, and for this we did a base. I did it thick because thick it's hydrophobic, so it can handle water, and I glued the base to the fiber, so then I can screw it, the Watermaker, to the base, but it's still drying the glue, so hopefully stay okay. I'm thinking about doing an extra secured line, just going here to here to here, to ensure while selling this stays on the spot, but I don't see any problem coming from here. And then we installed the two filters here and the little filter here. So what you have to be careful about the installations of the filter, you have to count with the switch of the filters, or with the renewal of the filters. So we have to change this, and you have to have space to take it and to put it back. So we are guessing this space, and
around
then,
what, 2-3 fingers of space?
Yeah, it has to be like, we have 3 fingers, but it can be 2 fingers, it's okay. And then we will gonna install the connections between all of the filters and the mechanism, so we have a lot of space to work with, and everything looks organized and well done.
Jean-Bert,
yes.
How much time did you think you're going to need to install the Watermaker?
So I was thinking about around one week.
How many days do you actually needed to install the Watermaker?
I believe 2 days. It's not totally finished.
How did you saw the whole product? Was it complicated to install? Was it?
No, it was simple. The instructions were simple, and the work was simple to do it.
I remember there was 3 filters: the big particle, the small particle, and the carbon.
Yes.
It was 3 hoses: the pressure one, the normal one, and the very small one.
3. Yeah, you have the high pressure and low pressure system.
And then you have the membrane itself, and then you have the system that creates the pressure.
And the electronics.
Yeah, and that's it. That's really simple. Okay, let's see how is João doing. Hello.
Hello. So we are doing the final touch on the installation finally. So a lot of work has been done. We could test the tubes for the bathroom for the intake of salt water and for the drain of the salt water. We already have the tap water from the tank arriving here. It already have some water there.
Cool.
So we are missing only the sweet water
Output?
to the tank, to the drinking tank.
Okay.
And now we are dealing with the tea
wintering.
for wintering. So we need to put the tea on the drain of salt water and a tea on an income from salt water to be able to run the Watermaker on the wintering solution. So that's all, and gonna keep working.
Okay, bye. The quality of the materials, how did you see it?
I like it. It could be more design, so it's very rough on the edges, but I like the material. It looks good.
You're being very detailed. You would like a little bit more design. It's a little bit more. You would like a pretty Watermaker.
Yeah, pretty much, yes.
So that's the note.
It's an improvement. You can always improve something.
Overall, we haven't seen it work, but it seems really cool.
Yeah.
Are you happy with the?
Yeah, if everything goes according to the plan, tomorrow we will test the flush.
Oh, tomorrow?
Yes.
I wasn't aware of that.
The
Okay.
flush. We cannot produce water on the marina because dirty water. But we can flush it.
It was really quick to arrive to Italy, right?
It was quicker than expected.
It was much
yes.
quicker. We were looking at 4 weeks, and it took 2 weeks.
Yes.
Yeah. And it was really well packed. I saw this. So it was really well packed, everything. We had instructions, we had all the manuals, the warranty, all the small cables, connections, pieces. They sent us more than we needed, right?
No, a little bit less than we needed. And we had the installation, a simple installation, so it could have more. What's this?
Hoses.
Or hoses, and the stripes that hold the hoses.
Okay, so you want more quantity of hose,
Yeah, more meters.
so more meters of hose, and more of the things that go around the hose.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
grab the
Braçadeira
hose
in
system.
English. Yeah. Okay.
The stripes, the metallic stripes.
Okay.
So we were testing the Watermaker for the first time, and we found a problem. He's trying to speak with us. So we find the problem that the in and the out are switched here in reality on the pressure pump are different than the manual. So on the manual it says to put one side. In reality you have to put the other side. You have to follow the arrows on the pump that say the directions of the water. So now we have to redo this, and this is our fight. Let's keep fighting.
So, after testing the Watermaker, we ran to several different problems. With the help of Barba Negra, Sergio and Mariana, we were able to identify the problems and found the solution. The buttons to push the flush and to push the start and stop of the Watermaker, they were switched one for another, and the instructions for the construction of the pump, the high pressure pump, was inverter, but with calm and some patience, with a lot of testing, we were able to find that problems, and that was an easy fix.
So, last update about the Watermaker. Now it's working perfectly, but we run to an issue on this vent, that is the high pressure pump vent. The problem was from factory, it was connected to the same 12 volt input that was connected to the same 12 volt input as the high pressure pump. So when the high pressure pump works, it will absorb all the energy, and it's no energy left to the vent, so the vent will not work properly, and the pump will overheating and stop the system. So to solve that problem, I connect the vent directly to, by this cable, directly to our panel. So the 12 volts will not be shared with the high pressure pump, and now the problem is solved, and it starts working. So everything looks fine now. We did the water for 3 hours and never stop, and the quality of the water is very good. We are very satisfied with the quality of water, and energy consumption, it's really good as well. So thumbs up to that, and let's do the wiring to stay everything pretty, and we close this project. Thank you.